Inside Amazon, the business behind the stock. Amazon isn't just an online store, it's an economic ecosystem. From cloud computing to logistics, it has evolved into one of the most complex and powerful engines, driving global corporate growth. But behind that familiar Add to Cart button lies a layered business model and a stock story built on transformation, innovation, and constant reinvention. As Amazon's empire stretches from your living room to data centers on every continent, the company's financial heartbeat reveals something deeper: how a digital retailer became the infrastructure of modern commerce itself, the evolution of an empire. When Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in 1994, it was little more than an online bookstore run from a Seattle garage. Today, it's a multi-trillion-dollar enterprise that shapes everything from how we shop to how businesses run their IT systems. Yet the company's success has never come from a single business. It's the sum of several, each feeding the next. Amazon's journey has been defined by one consistent strategy: long-term dominance over short-term profit. The company famously reinvests nearly every dollar it earns back into expansion, innovation, and infrastructure. That approach, once mocked by critics, is now the template for modern tech giants. In 2025, Amazon is no longer simply a retailer. It's a platform economy that touches nearly every corner of the digital world. Its business is built on three major pillars: retail, cloud computing, and advertising. Retail, the engine that started it all. Retail remains Amazon's foundation, the part most consumers interact with daily. Whether it's shopping on Amazon.com, subscribing to Prime, or picking up a package from Whole Foods, the retail segment represents roughly half of the company's total revenue. But the modern Amazon retail machine is far more than an online storefront. It's a logistics and data powerhouse, moving millions of products through an intricate web of warehouses, robotics, and delivery networks. Amazon has quietly built one of the world's largest transportation systems, rivaling UPS and FedEx, by controlling every step from supplier to doorstep. Still, this segment faces challenges. Margins remain thin, squeezed by inflation, fuel costs, and the constant need for faster shipping. Consumer behavior has also shifted. Shoppers are more price-sensitive. Competitors like Walmart and Temu have sharpened their e-commerce strategies, and global supply chains remain unpredictable. Yet, despite these pressures, Amazon continues to define efficiency in retail. Its fulfillment centers are increasingly automated, its predictive algorithms anticipate demand before you click, and its subscription ecosystem, anchored by over 200 million Prime members, creates steady recurring revenue. Retail may not be the company's most profitable arm, but it remains its most visible and indispensable. AWS, the cloud that powers the world. If retail is Amazon's face, AWS Amazon Web Services is its beating heart. Launched in 2006 almost by accident, when Amazon realized it could rent out excess server capacity, AWS has grown into a global computing empire that powers much of the internet. Netflix, Zoom, Airbnb, NASA, and countless startups run on AWS infrastructure. The service provides storage, computing power, databases, and artificial intelligence tools to millions of organizations worldwide. While AWS represents less than 20% of Amazon's total revenue, it contributes the majority of the company's operating income. That's because the cloud business, unlike retail, runs on high margins. It's the reason Amazon can afford to keep retail prices low. AWS profits subsidize the entire ecosystem. After years of explosive growth during the pandemic, AWS's expansion has moderated. Companies are tightening cloud budgets, and competition from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud has intensified. Still, AWS remains the market leader, holding around 1/3 of the global cloud infrastructure market. Its next phase centers on artificial intelligence. AWS has invested billions into custom chips like Trainium and Inferentia to power AI models more efficiently. With its scale, partnerships, and developer ecosystem, Amazon aims to ensure that AI innovation happens on AWS first. For investors, this division represents Amazon's long-term stability. As long as digital transformation continues, and it will, AWS will remain a pillar of global enterprise. Advertising, Amazon's hidden goldmine. There's a quiet revolution happening inside Amazon's business, and it's happening in the form of ads. Every time you search for a product on Amazon, you're interacting with one of the most valuable digital ad platforms on earth. Brands pay to appear at the top of your search results, to show sponsored products, or to appear in your recommendations. These ad placements may look subtle, but they drive billions in revenue. Amazon's advertising business has become its fastest growing segment, and it's also its most profitable. In 2024 alone, Amazon generated tens of billions of dollars from advertising, surpassing YouTube's ad revenue and rivaling Meta's growth rate. The company's edge lies in its first-party data. Unlike Google or Facebook, which infer consumer intent from browsing behavior, Amazon knows exactly what people buy, how often, and at what price. That makes its ad targeting precision unmatched and invaluable for brands. As privacy laws and data tracking restrictions tighten across the internet, Amazon's ecosystem looks even more appealing. Its walled garden of shopping and data collection offers advertisers a safe, measurable environment to reach motivated buyers. For Amazon, this is a golden loop. The more consumers shop, the more advertisers pay, and the more the cycle feeds itself. The stock story, a reflection of transformation. In 2025, Amazon stock has outperformed most retail peers, rising as investors reward the company's renewed focus on efficiency and profitability. The pandemic era's rapid expansion left Amazon with bloated costs and overbuilt warehouses. But over the past 2 years, it's undergone a major transformation, streamlining operations, cutting unprofitable ventures, and tightening expenses. Investors have noticed Amazon's cost discipline, combined with steady AWS profits and surging ad margins, has reignited market confidence. However, the stock's valuation now bakes in high expectations. Continued dominance in the cloud, robust ad growth, and steady retail performance. Any major slowdown in one of these engines could send ripples across the market. Analysts see Amazon as both a tech company and a logistics firm, a rare hybrid that blends Silicon Valley innovation with industrial-scale execution. That duality makes it difficult to value and fascinating to watch. The next frontier, automation, AI, and the race for efficiency. Amazon's future depends on one thing: how fast it can automate itself. From robotic arms sorting packages to self-driving delivery vans, automation sits at the center of Amazon's next growth cycle. The company is investing billions in robotics, machine learning, and generative AI to transform everything from supply chains to customer service. In fulfillment centers, advanced robots now handle the majority of repetitive tasks, while AI systems optimize inventory placement and route planning. Amazon's ultimate goal: a fully autonomous logistics network capable of same-day delivery for almost anything. Beyond logistics, Amazon is building AI-driven customer experiences, from Alexa's conversational capabilities to personalized product suggestions. The company envisions an ecosystem where every consumer interaction feels uniquely tailored and frictionless. But with these advances come challenges. Labor unions continue to pressure Amazon over working conditions and the impact on jobs. Regulatory scrutiny is intensifying, especially around antitrust concerns and AI data privacy. For Amazon, the race toward efficiency must balance innovation with accountability. Amazon's role in the global economy. Few companies have reshaped modern capitalism like Amazon. Its rise has transformed supply chains, advertising, and consumer expectations. Small businesses depend on Amazon's marketplace infrastructure. Large corporations rely on its cloud, and consumers trust its delivery promises more than traditional retailers. In effect, Amazon has become a pillar of global infrastructure, as essential to commerce as electricity or the internet itself. But that dominance also makes it vulnerable to shifts in politics, regulation, and global economics. As interest rates fluctuate and consumer spending tightens, Amazon faces a new kind of test: maintaining growth in a more cautious, post-boom economy. Its success will depend on whether its investments in automation, AI, and logistics deliver the cost advantages its stock price already assumes. The challenge: and the promise. For all its dominance, Amazon's story is far from finished. The company stands at a crossroads between innovation and overextension. Every new venture, whether it's healthcare, entertainment, or AI chips, adds potential but also complexity. Its greatest strength has always been its ability to reinvent itself before competitors can catch up. That restless energy keeps Amazon ahead, but also forces it to juggle multiple trillion-dollar bets at once. Still, the company's identity remains clear: a technology-driven infrastructure for global commerce. Whether you're streaming Prime Video, deploying servers on AWS, or ordering groceries from Whole Foods, you're interacting with one interconnected ecosystem designed to capture value at every point. Final reflection: the business behind the stock. Amazon's stock isn't just a reflection of retail sales or cloud contracts. It's a mirror of how the world does business. It tells the story of an enterprise that has evolved from selling books to building the backbone of the digital economy. Behind every share price movement lies a question: can Amazon continue to innovate faster than the world changes? For now, the answer seems to be yes, but the future will test whether its massive scale becomes a strength or a constraint. In the meantime, Amazon continues to operate at the intersection of technology, consumer behavior, and global infrastructure. Its business and its stock embody the modern corporate paradox: how to keep growing when you already power the world.